Stress and anxiety live in the body, not just in the mind. Hello, I'm Bastian from MindBodyInMotion, and in the next 8 minutes we are going to reset your nervous system together. Just follow along. We start with stillness, feet shoulder-width apart, arms soft alongside your body. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it go. Feel the ground beneath you. Let it carry your weight. Just breathe. This is where healing begins. Now we begin to move. Inhale as your arms slowly rise. Exhale as they gently lower. 6 times, soft, no force. Breathe in and rise. Breathe out and return. With each breath, you're sending one message to your nervous system. You are safe. Hands rise for the center of your body. Inhale as you open. Let tension and stress go as you open your arms. Exhale and lower back down. Now the other way. Inhale as the arms open wide to the sides. Exhale, draw in a positive healing energy as the arms close for the middle line. 3 times. Feel your chest expand with every breath in. Release what no longer serves you. Invite in what heals you. Before we continue, I'm facing you, so mirror my movements. My right hand is your left hand. We form a ball between our hands. Inhale as one hand reaches up to heaven. The other presses gently towards the earth. Rotate. Follow your lower hand with your eyes. Exhale as you return to the ball. Inhale and expand to the other side. Exhale back to center. 3 times, each side, slow and deliberate. Heaven above, earth below. You, right in the middle. Remember, mirror my movements. My right is your left. The ball again. 1 hand above, 1 below. Step a little wider. Inhale as you shift and rotate to one side. Left knee in line with your toes. Exhale as you turn back to center. Inhale to the other side. Exhale and return. Now continue, relaxed and smooth. Your nervous system loves rhythm. It's an ancient signal of safety. Keep turning. Let the breath lead, like the tide. Let's finish the exercise. Focus back to your center. Come to stillness. Hands rest gently over your lower abdomen. Breathe in slowly. And out. In. And out. Feel the warmth of your own hands. This is what calm feels like in the body. Remember it. How do you feel? If you want to go deeper, my free 7-day challenge is waiting for you. Link below. Subscribe for a new practice every week. See you on the mat.